everybody, it's Cassie from Helper Tech, and I just wanted to show off this Lenovo Thinkpad T530 that we've got here. We're selling it for $249. It's got 240 gigs of storage on an SSD, 8 gigs of RAM, and we've got an i5 third generation processor in there. It's also got Windows 10 Pro installed at the moment. It does have some antivirus on there already, just free versions, you know, enough to keep you safe. We use it here personally as well. And it comes with a LibreOffice installed on there so that you can, you know, have Word documents, Excel forms, anything like that. It's 17-inch. We've got this over at our Helper Tech Burnsville store, but can have one over at our Eagan Helper Tech store in case it's easier to pick up over there. So, you know, we are open Monday through Friday, 10 to 6, and Saturday, 10 to 3. If you have any questions, you can give us a call. Phone number is 651-605-2575. You guys have a nice day.